Hello adorables and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a product review for gbfke. They reached out to me and asked me would I like to select a few canvases and show them to you on my channel, and I said yes. So these canvases are from gbfke and I think I picked some awesome images. Now they're already unrolled and I ironed them a little bit because there was some little rivers in there, and I was like, no, let's get them flat. So first off, look at this. Wow, it's Paris. I got my Eiffel Tower. Look at this. Ooh, okay, so this is 30 by 90. And look at this window frame all lit up and this light. I love it. We've got nice shading going in. We've got some confetti in the flowers. We've got building back here. Some skyline. And then we're going to get into some pinks and purples along with some oranges and yellows. Nice. Look at this color blocking in the sky. Like, that is so easy. Like, I love it because you can see it. Like down here in the confetti, you're like, eh. But it's going to turn out beautiful. But I mean, to work on, I love this. I love it. And that's not all. You know, this happened when I ironed, because you could shrink your canvas, but I just got it at the very tip. So I quit while I was ahead, but the creases came out. You see, I had to cut them. I cut the plastic because you couldn't, this was a river. That was a serious river. So I had to cut the plastic in a couple of places. Not there, okay. Where was the other one? I don't know. Where'd I do that at? Right here. Yeah. So let's look at that. You can't tell. That was a serious crease. It came out so nice. I was relieved. So I quit while I was ahead. So here goes some of the color blocking we're going to do. Because I'm going to turn it sideways and do it lines. I'm going to have a 4-placer. That is going to be awesome to work on. See, this canvas was absolutely made for me. It's wonderful. Let's get a better look at the Eiffel Tower, did we? Okay. Let's look at it better. You could put bling bling yellows and oranges in there. Or maybe there's a couple shades of yellows and oranges that you could pick from, and you can just make it up yourself. You can make it pink if you want to. You can do whatever you want here. I love the candles. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay. Alright. So, here are the colors. Look at those purples going to be in there. Where? I know. The clouds. A little bit like, probably here. Like here. Maybe. Okay, it's going to be awesome. Awesome colors. Yeah. gbfke. Don't forget that. And in my opinion, as far as browsing around on budget-friendly sites, gbfke has the best prices. They do. I haven't seen anything cheaper, but I haven't checked them all out either. But you know, I checked a few out. And this is the one company that I could vouch for. Yep, I think you're the cheapest. Okay, so here's canvas number 2. Oh, we got another Eiffel Tower here, baby. Look at her. She is standing on some kind of platform, a balcony of her house, maybe. Look at that blocking. Nice. She's all in pink. Got our Eiffel Tower over here. There's stars, seas, and, well, for the most part, the stars and the seas. The twos. It's just nice little sections. What can I say? Besides, I love it. wearing a necklace. You can put bling bling on that. Oh, those crazy big eyes. Oh my god. Oh, it's so funny. Just got a bow up here. We're getting there. There it is. And our clouds, sky. I think it looks great. Okay, so I didn't show you how many colors, so we'll go back to the other one, check it out. So we've got 1 through 8 and alphabetical order, and then the last 2 are symbols. It's the same on the other, but I'll show you that one too. There we go. Okay. Well, let's just put them both up here now, because we've got our close-up of her. We want to see her face, and we want to see the candles. There you go. Nice. That's a nice caption for... Let me see if I can take a picture and maybe use that as a thumbnail. Sometimes they don't give you a good thumbnail, and I got to go use a screensaver or something. Okay. So these are for her. Creamy browns, we got some reds and pinks, little shades of green and gray for, I imagine that's going to be the Eiffel Tower and the sky. I think it's great. We're good to go here, aren't we? Looks blurry now. Looks blurry. There, okay. So, I was so excited when I got these. Oh my god. I couldn't believe it because they're nice and long. They're different. I don't have anything 30 by 90. I was excited to work on something that is 30 centimeters because I will not have to flip it around. I could stretch the whole 30 up. I'm good. It's going to lay on the table just like this. I'm going to work on it over here. And look how happy I am going to be. Look at that. It's wonderful. Look how fun that's going to be. I could probably get some practice with a bigger multi-placer because I use a 4-placer and I'm kind of alright with that. But looking at this, it's like you might want to do a little practice on a bigger one. This is so beautiful to me. The song is in my head, but I don't want to start singing. You are so beautiful to me. Okay. I'm so goofy. I'm sorry, I'm so goofy. This is not a Disney video. Okay. I think it's great. I think they're both great. They're pre-kit for us. They do come with toolkits. Not a problem. If you're going to multi-place, you might want to get a bigger tray. And I like these skinny trays. I'm working on a project right now that I feel like these trays are, it's a 20 by 30, and I feel like these are kind of big for that I should have reached and got a little one, but it's like, no, just use your tray. But this is fine for it. Just with multi-placers, I find it difficult with the multi-placer, and that's why I upgrade it, because I thought this was fine. But now that I try it, I can't shake it. It just doesn't work the same for me. My hands, the muscle memory is gone. Like, I can't do it. I can't really do it. So only when I'm working on my, like, little coasters and stuff like that can I use that little tray. It's just, I don't know. I'm clumsy with it now. I was so careful when I first started, but now with the bigger trays, I became less sensitive for the tiny little tray. It's more delicate, like more, you know, because you shake it too hard, they're going to go everywhere. You got bigger sides with a bigger tray. So they sell them at gbfke. They do, in fact, sell trays. They sell pens. They go into cross stitch and everything else. So there's off-canvas projects. They've got everything. But I prefer to work on a canvas most of the time. And these are just awesome. Can we get the Eiffel Tower in there? Some of that lighting. Let's get some of that lighting in there. Look how awesome. Okay. So, I think 10 minutes is pretty good. let's wrap it up and say I appreciate you all of my adorables. And thank you to Nathan from gbfke for giving me this opportunity to highlight some of their products for you. I'm going to enjoy working on these. I have a project coming up right now for another company, but these are getting done, and they're either going to go on my wall, like this one will go on a living room wall. This girl, I may do her and give her to my friend so he can give it to his granddaughter or something. I don't know if I want to look at her eyes. Yeah. Like, I want to work on it. Do I want to hang it on the wall and see it all the time? I don't know. I don't know if that's my type of art to look at like that, because she looks kind of mean and grumpy and stuff. I don't know. But I do want to work on her. I could appreciate for the art. Just I like cutesy, and she's in that. She looks a little bit ill. All those big-eyed ones do. They got to be cute little animals, and that's when I like it. That's when I want it on my wall. Cutesy little animals and cities, places. Okay, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. And she's at a place. I'm screwing my video up now, talking about my preferences for the wall. I could put her in a different room where I don't have to see her all the time. Would be fine. But, like, why let it go to waste? I've got so many. I kind of want to give them away so people can hang them on their walls and enjoy something. You know, maybe take them to a high school or something and, you know, let the art teacher divvy them out to the kid. I don't know. This was just a thought popped in my head. But I think I want to share them. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching. Peace out, my adorables, and God bless.